So the first part to replace the broken door spring is I need to remove the old damaged part. So I'm going to remove the piece here from inside the restroom where the cable connects to the wall. And then I'm going to remove the tube from inside the door by sliding it back towards the outside away from the hinge part of the door, just far enough so I can pull it back a little and then now go back towards the hinges and remove it completely. To reinstall a new door spring, I'm going to slide the tube far enough back. I now have to get the cable in the door as well, just far enough to where I can actually get it to go in, and then I have to see it there and pull it through as well. Now I want to slide this tube as far as possible. It might not build enough tension there, so I'm going to use my crescent wrench here to just trying to build it. See how it's snapped into place there? You can no longer see those little pins on the inside, but now I have to take this piece and hook it back into place. So I'm going to grab this with my crescent wrench, just closing it enough so I can hook into this little piece here at the end. I'm going to let the door come closed and use the door jamb to allow myself to build a little more pressure here and hold this in place just enough to where I can now open the door and get more cable. I'm going to have to open it with my foot because the other hand is going to be busy with my pliers. And now I'm going to use my pliers and I'm going to hold this as tight as I can because I don't want the spring to go back in. I'm going to let the door close so that with the other end I can remove the crescent wrench, and I should have enough room here to resecure the cable in its attached point right here. Keep an eye on your fingertips and make sure you keep that secure. It is a cable and you don't want it to snap back on your fingers.